Welcome to Jamaica News Now. Here are the top stories today.
Man, me still go collect $100 from people because I don't know where people are get silver and waste from. Government are use people. That's the danger about life. So them can see themselves and know so when them a take raise, them take 100%. So who is them? The whole area go meet a hell. Have a good day. Take a camera for me.
Government approved phased taxi fare increase. The Jamaican government has approved a 16% fare increase for public passenger vehicle operators, including route taxis, rural stage carriage operators, and Acne carriage services. The increase takes effect in two phases, with an initial 8% adjustment effective June 2nd, followed by a second 8% increase on July 1st. Officials say the phased approach is intended to help operators manage rising operating costs while reducing the immediate financial impact on commuters. Speaking at a press briefing, Minister of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications, Daryl Vaz, said the fare adjustment had been under consideration for some time and was necessary due to increased fuel prices, higher maintenance expenses, insurance costs, and other operational challenges facing the public transport sector. The government noted that implementing the full increase at once could have placed additional inflationary pressure on households, prompting the decision to spread the adjustments over 2 months. The fare increase is expected to affect thousands of daily commuters across Jamaica, while many transport operators have welcomed the long-awaited adjustment. Some commuters have expressed concern about the additional cost of travel. The Transport Authority is reminding operators to adhere to the approved fare structure and encouraging passengers to report any unauthorized overcharging. Updated fare tables have been published to reflect the new rates that take effect through June and July. The taxi fare increase announced on June 2nd, 2026 has been a long time coming. The 16% adjustment is not a new increase, but the outstanding balance of a 35% fare increase approved by the government in 2023. At that time, only 19% of the increase was implemented, while the remaining 16% was postponed due to concerns about inflation and its impact on the wider economy. The remaining increase had originally been scheduled to take effect in April 2024, but was delayed several times as the government sought to balance the needs of transport operators with the cost of living facing commuters. During the delay, taxi associations repeatedly lobbied for the outstanding increase, arguing that rising fuel prices, insurance premiums, vehicle maintenance costs, and toll charges were making it increasingly difficult for operators to remain profitable. After more than 2 years of waiting, the government approved the outstanding 16% increase, implementing it in two stages, 8% on June 2nd and the remaining 8% on July 1st. Officials say the phased approach is intended to reduce the immediate impact on inflation while honoring the commitment made to Jamaica's public passenger vehicle operators. Hector Newman, president of the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, recently appeared on TVJ Smile Jamaica program to discuss whether the taxi fare increase adequately reflects rising operating costs, its impact on passengers, and the measures needed to sustain Jamaica's public transportation sector.
Because you didn't get the full 16 one time, or you are upset because it's more than 16 you did want?
We know we could not get more than 16 because we did not apply for the addition. What we will do tomorrow morning is start prepare ourselves for a fare increase, because we did not get a fare increase yesterday, and the public need to know that. What we get is a balance of the 35% that was owed to us 3 years ago.
Explain that, please. When you say you didn't get a fare increase, it go up 8%.
No. It's a balance. You're supposed to give me 35% 3 years ago. You only give me 19%. So you owe me 16%.
So when the minister said you get a fare increase, the minister not telling the truth?
A fare increase, balance owed.
So the minister not telling the truth?
I think he just missed off words. I wouldn't say he's not telling the truth. He's missed words. Because see, he came in right on the heel of a fare increase, and he brought in the former Minister of Finance to explain and to tell us certain things and ask us to. He really catch me off guard, because we say, all right, we accept a wait for the other 16%. So the minister is using the words, but he's not correct in saying that we don't get a fare increase. And we put it to him yesterday. We are going to apply for a fare increase. And he said that's for another discussion. So he knows that the ministry knows that we haven't received a fare increase. We need a fare increase, and I put it to you this morning that the fare increase cannot be under 40%. It must be 40 or over.
Some people are saying that you guys were charging the fare increase from a long time.
I'm happy you do like this, you guys, in quotation, because some guys were really hiking the fares in some certain quarters. Why? Because of the rapid increase in operation costs right across the length and breadth of the sector.
Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.